In this video, I'm going to show you different shapes of ikebana containers for your arrangement. Coming up. Welcome to I Love Ikebana. I'm Akemi Sagawa, Sogetsu School Ikebana instructor. On this channel, I share with you ikebana tutorials and practical tips for your arrangements. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a basic ikebana flower arrangement using a flat container and kenza. Today, I will show you different shapes of flat containers for your arrangement. Here are some examples. This is a round container, the same shape as I used in the tutorial video, only in white color. Oval shape, rectangular, square. Some are shallow and some are deep. You can use any shape and any color as long as the bottom of the container is flat so that you can place a kenzen securely. Ceramic, plastic, glass, metal, or wood. Whatever the container is made of, make sure that there is no hole so that water doesn't leak. Before purchasing a dedicated ikebana container, look around in your house. I bet you will find a great substitute, especially in the kitchen. See what I found in my kitchen drawers. Cake pan, casserole plate, pie dish. You can tell I haven't used them much for cooking, but why not using for ikebana? They have flat bottom and no holes. If you have any question or would like to know more about Sogetsu Ikebana, please write in the comment area down below. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.